Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another video. It's all about what I got in my vacation, my last vacation. Yes, so if you are not yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe on the notification bell for you to be the first to notify whenever I upload a video. And a very big thanks to all my returning and my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys for keep on turning in. May God bless you all. So I'll be showing you guys what I got for myself when I traveled to Italy. It's all about Kiko brand. Kiko brand is all about foundation, makeup and face care, all those things. That is all about Kiko. So when this brand was here in Austria, so it fold up, like close up, there is no more. When I traveled to Italy, I saw it. I was like, let me visit again, because when it was here in Austria, I visit there once. That once I picked one or two things. That is all. Though I also go there and come out not like I didn't pick anything. There are a lot of people always there. There are a lot of people inside, and I don't know why they fold up. I don't know the reason. So yeah. So when I saw it again this year, I was like curious to get something, like find something for myself, which I did. I got something for myself also. Pick one or two things like before. So yeah, so that is what I'll be showing you guys today. So the first product here is a foundation. So this foundation go well for two skin type, which is oil skin and dry skin. So which I have both skin type. So I got the Shami Escape Hydrating Serum Foundation, which I will be trying with you guys. The number is number 8 Cocoa. So I'll be trying it with you guys in my next video and see how blend well, So yeah, before I forget, this video is not sponsored. It's what I got with my money from Kiko brand. Yeah. So this is a setting spray, which is a face makeup fixer. So the Italian is a Fissante de Maquillage. So yeah, this is what I got. Second one, which is face spray, setting spray. Yeah. So I got this face base, which is primer. So Radiant Boost, which is face base. So I got this also to prime my face, I got this setting powder also, number 303, unlimited long lasting matte glossy powder, warm big thing. Yeah, warm big. So I'm trying to read it here also. So that is what I got, So I'll be trying it with you guys on my next video. So I got this concealer here, full coverage concealer, number here's the number 606, which I got for myself. I'll be also trying it. So this is how the color is, but the camera did not pick it well. I think it's trying. so I'll be trying it with you guys very soon. Also, I will try everything. And I also got this cream lip liner, cream color comfort lip liner. Yeah, that is it. I got this also. Here's the number 305. So I'll be trying it with you guys. I will try everything with you guys very soon. Yeah, so that is it. Number 305. That is how it look like red. So yeah, lastly but not the least, so I also got this lipstick also. So number 417, yeah, number 417, smart lipstick, fusion lipstick. So that is it. I love the pulse of the lipstick, is so beautiful, which I love with different, white like design. So I love the color is so beautiful, which I love so much. I can't wait to try it with you guys very soon. Yeah. So I got these two products for my face. One is a supplement youth serum, work for wrinkle correct, is a wrinkle correctly serum concentrate. Yeah, so this serum work for all skin type. Is a you use it when when you are at the age you have skin, another skin like adult, it's like you have wrinkle your face. The way you are when you were 20 is not the same when you were 25. So the skin gets like older and older, so you have to take care of yourself, concentrate on your skin, love your skin more, love your skin. So that is why we need cream, like we need to take care of our skin, we need to pay attention to ourselves. So I got this for myself. I'll be trying it on my skin to see how it is, and also it's glow, that is it. And also I got this cream for under eye, brighten, lifts eyes. So brighten lift is to lift your eye. Many people go to hospital to do lifting, to make lifting for their face, to make they want to look like newborn baby, look smooth. So that is all about this lifting. So when you have the money, you buy it, you buy the cream, take care of your skin, as I said before. When you have the more money, you go to to hospital and do the thing that you want to do. That is it. So I got the cream like to put for my under eye, to do the lifting, to see how it works. Everything is try. Just do something, play. Your skin is what is your priority. Your skin is everything for you. So I got this for myself. I will be trying it. It's for all skin type. So let me try it. So I got this my scarf, this chiffon scarf. It's long time I have something like this. So when I saw it, I pick it and I rock it that day. So I will put the picture from one side for you to see how I rock my scarf on my summer holiday. Yes, so my summer vacation. So Italy is summer, is a hot weather. It's not like Austria. So that is it for the video. So that is it. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, share with friends and family, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget that. See you guys on my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed, remain blessed. Juicy Ovida say arrivederci. Nah. Arrivederci. Okay, choose, bye. See you.